Before you spend your money on another viral skincare gadget, you need to hear this, because not everything that looks professional online actually delivers the same results in real life. In this video, I share my honest Glov Micro Infusion System review for 2025 and break down whether glovbeauty.com is legit or just another overhyped skincare trend. The Glov Micro Infusion System claims to exfoliate the skin, improve product absorption, and enhance overall skin texture using microinfusion technology. But the real question is whether those claims hold up outside of marketing videos. I closely examined how the device is designed, what materials are used, how it interacts with the skin, and what kind of results someone can realistically expect over time. While the concept of microinfusion and exfoliation is not new in skincare, the way Glov presents it makes it sound more advanced than it actually is. Some users may notice temporary smoothness or better absorption of serums, but that does not necessarily mean long-term skin improvement. On the other hand, it is also not fair to call it an outright scam, because it does function as a basic skincare tool and can fit into certain routines. However, expectations need to be realistic, especially for people dealing with acne, deep wrinkles, or major skin concerns, because this is not a medical-grade treatment. I also looked into glovbeauty.com itself to see if the website appears real or fake in 2025, including branding, checkout process, policies, and customer transparency. And while it looks like a legitimate e-commerce store, there are still common red flags seen with many beauty tool brands online. Overall, this Glov Micro Infusion System review is meant to help you decide logically, not emotionally, whether this tool makes sense for your skin and your budget. So watch till the end before making any decision.